Hello student, how are you? Fine? Okay. Today I am discuss with you an important chapter topic of your economics, meaning of scarcity and the scarcity of the resources. What you think when you consider the scarcity? What is the scarcity? I think when you think the scarcity, that means a lack of the resources. If you want something, it is not fulfilled at a time, you say a scarcity of the things and a scarcity of the goods. Basically, it is related to the commodity. When your commodity is not fulfilled at a time, it is called the scarcity. But in the term of the economics, we are considered a scarcity. How can we consider the scarcity in the economics? It's basically economics consider scarcities to create the relation between the supply and demand. Limitations of the supply of a commodity and in relations to its demand. That means the supply is less and demand is high. That situation is called the scarcity term of the economics, because in these situations the commodity is not fulfilled each and every person, because lack of the commodity, lack of the resources, we are not produce the goods and services more and not fulfill the demand of each and every person. Otherwise, when we consider the scarcity, that means demand of resources more than the supply of the resources, demand of resources more than the supply of the resources are called scarcity. It's clear कि when demand is more than the supply, that situation is called scarcity. The goods and services, it's play the important role to creating the scarcity. When the goods are not available, when the services are not available, that is the resource, and this resource is not available for the productions, that means production is low. It is the basic and important cause to create the scarcity. In the economics, the goods and the services which are used to carry out the productions are called resources. In the term of the economics, goods and services are called resources because it's the help to the produce the goods and services. If you establish a cotton in the factory, what's happened? How can you produce? Think about it. You need to the cotton, you need to the labor, you need to the equipments, you need to the machines. And if this cotton is not available, that is the goods for your production unit and factories. And what's happened? If the cotton is not available, can you produce the cotton? No. If the mechanics are not available, can you produce the cloth? If the other things are not available, can you produce? That is the scarcity of the resources for the production. Other than when in the consider the scarcity of the resources in the market, when you go to the visit market and Maggie is not available, what's happened? You say that the scarcity of the Maggie is created, and last some time when the Maggie is banned, what's happened? The productions of the Maggie is the banned, and that production is the reduces. That time the scarcity is created, and you can just come to the market and just get, and you other time you use it. And so scarcity is basically related to the scarcity of commodity. So we, I think you will understand about the scarcity. We talking about more topic in the next class. Thank you. You watching full video, and if you have any problem to understand my conclusions, my language and other things, if you are not considered, how can I do? So please you comment, and I try to solve your problems in next video. So thank you, watch regularly, and be safe.